Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will crochet this simple bubble crochet stitch, and it is used for or can be used for blankets and for any projects that you have in hand, or for your cushions and many other projects. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 14 from here. I'm sorry for my voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Then we're going to come right here. In each of the stitches, we're going to make single stitch. Now we're going to chain 1 right here. We'll make a single stitch like that, and we have our 2 stitches here. So we're going to work in the first loop in front, that way. You can see these 2 stitches, and I'm going to make the first loop facing my side. Chain 1. So you can see we've made in between chains here. So we're going to work in each of them. Then yarn over, come here in the first loop, this one here, insert that way, pull through in the same one, and pull through. Then you're going to come here. You see this one, we're not going to work in this one, we're going to come right there, yarn over, in this one, way, then you're going to come here and make a single stitch. You can see this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to turn over. Then I'm going to do the same thing. chain 1, turn your work. You can see we have all stitches here, so we are going to work same way. Come right here. The same space again. Yarn over. Sorry. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So it's in same one as this one. Let's see, these are the same one. This is a blue light color and this is a orange light. So you make chain of 14, then you make a single stitch on top of the two stitches, but the stitch which faces you in front is where you're going to make a single stitch. Then when you come back here, as you can see, this stitch is here where we made the bubble stitch, and this is how it's going to look like at the end. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye bye till then.